Early bird get early seat. We have a limited seat only here.
Come. John.
Bharat, Naveen.
Live. Purit bolle.
ಜವಣೇರು ಪೂರಿಂಚಿ ಬದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಡು ಜವಣೇರುಡ ವಿನಂತಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊರಿಲ್ಲ ವೇದಿಕೆದ ಎದುರು ಭಾಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ
बोलते
Once again, good evening everyone. Behalf of YMS Premier League, organizers are requesting everyone to be seated please. Please fill the chair. The program looks really good. Please fill the chair. Good evening once again. We are all gathered here for the trophy unveiling and jersey launch program of the upcoming most awaited tournament, YMS Premier League 2023 Season 2. And today's evening we have, along with us, we have a renowned dignitaries here there. And I would like to request Mr. Manoj Shetty, please come and escort the guests to the dais. Manoj, Sampath and Yajnesh, please assist our today's evening dignitaries to escort the guests. Kanchan sir.
Please.
Thank you, Mr. Manoj, Sampath and Yajnesh.
Please.
Today's evening, we are having here with Mr. Amarnath Shetty, President of Kannada Sangha Bahrain. Amarnath Rai, President of Kannada Sangha Bahrain. Welcome you, sir. Mr. Gopal Shetty, President of MASA. Welcome you, sir. And Mr. Harish Pujari, President GSS Bahrain Dilawaz. Welcome you, sir. And Mr. Pradeep Shetty, ex-President of Kannada Sangha Bahrain. Welcome you, sir. Mr. Royston, Managing Director RR Group. Welcome you, sir. Mr. Narendra Shetty, President of Patla Foundation, Bahrain and Saudi. Welcome you, sir. And Mr. Ajit Bangiera, ex-President of GSS Bahrain Dilawaz. Welcome you, sir. And Mr. Kanchan Sri, Senior Vice President of Marsh Bahrain. Welcome you, sir. Before starting activities, I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Narendra Shetty and Mr. Gopal Shetty, because for this program itself, they traveled from Saudi Arabia. So guys, give them a big hand, big round of applause. Thank you so much for your presence, sir. So I request Mr. Manoj Shetty to offer the flower bouquet with the gratitude to the dignitaries for being here. Please offer the flowers. Thank you, Manoj. The quick introduction about the YMS Premier League 2023. There is a three players, the passionate cricket, passionate crazy players, Manoj Shetty, Sampath Shetty and Ajnesh. They are dreamed and they planned the cricket tournament last year, and most of us witnessed a spectacular cricket tournament last year, which is organized by YMS team and Al Najma Club, not in Gulfair Club. So this year also we are organizing the same, but it is little upper scale and it is better planned. And this is the same, like a 30-yard limited over the daytime cricket tournament. Last time we conducted night tournament. This time we are planning for day, one-day tournament at Al Najma Club, Jufair, here. Same ground what we are sitting here. So there are 12 men's team and 4 ladies team are participating in this tournament. Sorry, 14 men's team and 4 ladies team are participating in this tournament. And I think couple of weeks back we have bidding section, and all the players were selected in the bidding for each team one owner. I would like to call the name of and owner and icon player of the tournament. Team number 1, Supernova. Owner is Mr. Nitin and icon player is Mr. Vivinjit. Team number 2, Kundapura Friends. Owner is Raghavendra Shetty and Sudhir Acharya. Icon player is Mr. Vignesh. Team number 3, Suratkal Friends. Mr. Sandeep Shetty is the owner and Mr. Imam is the icon player. And team number 4, RD Group. Mr. Raghavendra Devadiga is the owner and Mr. Ranjit is the icon player. Team Nisarga Bharin. Mr. Manoj Shetty is the owner and Rupesh is the icon player. Sachi, Mr. Naveen Shetty is the owner and Mr. Kabir Singh is the icon player. Karavali Kings, Mr. Bhaskar Nayak is the owner and Mr. Faisal S is icon player. Team number 8, Jai Karnataka Smart CC, Mr. Sanal and Mr. Sampath Shetty. Team number 9, Royal Strikers, owner is Mr. Sandeep Shetty and icon is Felix. RR Boys, owner is Mr. Royston and icon player is Mr. Rahim. Number 11, Nammakudla, owner is Mr. Rohan and icon player is Mr. Vasant Salyan. Number 12, Kurkan Titles, owner is Mr. Ajit Bangera and icon player is Sunil Kulal. And number 13, Kudla Super Kings, owner name is Mr. Rajesh Bandari and icon player is Mr. Nitish. And team number 14, Bulls 7, owner is Mr. Anup and icon player is Mr. Sachin. And here we are coming for the ladies team. Team number 1, Kundapura Friends, owner is Mr. Lokesh and Mr. Sudhir Acharya and icon player is Giselle D'Souza. Number 2, Suratkal Friends, owner is Rashmi Sampath and Miss Jolly De Silva and icon player is Miss Pavitra Shetty. Team number 3, HPCA, owner is Jairaj Bandari and icon player is Kabia Budani. Actually, we would like to show you some glance and flashback of YMS season 1, but unfortunately audio is not supporting us. So just we can share the videos after in WhatsApp group. Thank you, Dhanush. We are, before that, we are switching into the next session. Bahrain's one of the strongest team. Rifa, Vasant Salyan and Sagar Shetty is here, and I would like to happily announce that they are the winners and champions for the last YMS Season 1 tournament. Give them a big round of applause. And this time, Mr. Manoj Shetty coming with better Nisarga and giving a better tractor. Okay, now we are switching into the main part of the program, the unrelieving of the trophy, unveiling of the trophy, and I would like to request Manoj, Sampath and Yajnesh, please escort the guests, and I would like to request Mr. Amarnath Rai to lead the team and honor the trophy. Thank you, Amarnath Rai, and all respected dignitaries. Now I'd like to, now is the time to hear some best wishes message from our guest today, and I would like to request Mr. Amarnath Rai to address the gathering with his words. Sorry sir, cable length is too small, you need to come here. Thank you, Rupesh. The organizer, Mr. Manoj Shetty and his team, Royston, we have Kantan Kajasi, and we have the ex-beloved president, Mr. Ajit, the ex-president of Kannada Sangha, Mr. Pradeep Shetty, Mr. Gopal Shetty, the master president from Saudi, Mr. Narendra Shetty, the Patla president from Saudi, and Mr. Harish Pujari, the Bill Lovers president, my dear friends, cricket lovers, sponsors, and everyone out here. On behalf of Kannada Sangha, I take this opportunity to extend my gratitude to the YMS Mangalorean team, and I wish everyone all the very best and a very good evening to you all. Cricket is a fever, cricket is a love, cricket is a gentleman's game, and we'll see what sort of things are happening now, and it's real business happening in this world right away. And we see that many youngsters coming up in their life, paying their children coming and parents encouraging, because there is life and there is future in it. So I really, I'm very much happy that there are a lot of cricketers and their parents and their children are really taking the coaching and all that. And I wish the cricketing life goes up, and then the budding boys and the players here around get into the better future and the national team here in Bahrain. So, having said all this, I would definitely like to remember Purna, who has gone to North Seaboard, and definitely I think he would have been here at this moment, if I'm not mistaken. I know he is one among you all, and we really miss him. So I wish all the cricket sponsors all the very best. And like I was told that there are 12 teams of men participating and 4 ladies. I wish each and every team all the very best and success, and we hope to see a wonderful game on next coming Friday. We have some good guests coming out from India, the kabaddi player and national Sukesh Shetty, and the other one is Akshara Pujari. So it will be treat to be with them that evening, and let's all join together. And I wish everyone all the very best and all the success for all the teams who will be participating in the coming tournament. And I request everyone to come in large numbers and support the YMS Mangaloreans Second League tournament. Today we just finished the unveiling of the trophy, and I think one more is left. I think the jersey launch is left, but then I would wish everyone all the very best on behalf of Kannada Sangha, and God bless you all, and have fun and a wonderful cricket on Friday. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Maruna, for your kind words. Now I would like to request Mr. Gopal Shetty to address the gathering, please.
ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮನೋಜ್, ಆಸ್ಟಿನ್, ಕಾಂಚನ್, ಅಜಿತ್, ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಶೆಟ್ರೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ಅಮರನಾಥ್ ರೈ ಅವರೇ, ದ ಪಟ್ಲ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ನ್ಯೂಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಶೆಟ್ರೆ, ಬಿಲ್ಲವ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ಪೂಜಾರ್ರೆ, ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೇ, ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಘಟಕರೇ. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಫ್ಯಾನ್. ನಾನು ಸೌದಿ ಅರೇಬಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಥ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದವನು ಕೂಡ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುಭವ ಇದ್ದವನು ಕೂಡ. ನನಗೆ ಮನೋಜ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೀತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೂ ನಾನು ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಶೆಟ್ಟರಿಗೆ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೋಗುವ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗೆ ವೀಕ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಆದರೂ ನಾನು ಬಂದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 3ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಆವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ 2 ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅದು ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ YMS ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಹುಡುಗ. ಅವನನ್ನು ಸೌದಿ ಅರೇಬಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದದ್ದೇ ನಾನು. ಅವನು ಜಿಂಬಾಬ್ವೆ ಎದುರು ಆಡಿದ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟು. ನಾವು ಸೌದಿ ಅರೇಬಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಟಗಾರರು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆದ್ಯತೆ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವರನ್ನೇ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ತುಂಬ ಟೀಮ್ ಉಂಟು, 1-2 ಟೀಮ್ ಉಂಟು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೌದಿ ಅರೇಬಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವರು ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಅಜರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಬಂದ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ನಿತರ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿದಂಥ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳ ಬಂದ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ವಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಟೀಮಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಸಂಪತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಈಗ ಬಹರೇನ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಟೀಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮನೋಜ್ ನನಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ನಾವು ಸೀಸನ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು ಸೀಸನ್ 2 ಮಾಡಿದ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದರೂ ಉಳಿತಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಾವು ಅದರ ಚಾರಿಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದು ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸಲ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಉಳಿದರೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೇರೆ ಅವರಾದರ ಒಂದು ಚಾರಿಟಿಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ವಿನಿಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮನೋಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ 100% ನಾವು ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶವಿಟ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಇಂಥ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಅದು ಈಗ ಸಾಬೀತಾಗಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಜರ್ಸಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರಾಫಿ ಲಾಂಚಿನ ದಿವಸ ಒಂದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯ ದಿವಸ. ಇದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಈಗ ಒಂದಾಯಿತು, ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಂಟು. ಈಗ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಶುಭಾಶಯವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿತನುಡಿಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಇಟ್ಟು, ಈ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಸೌದಿ ಅರೇಬಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋ ನಿಮಗೆ YMS ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅನಂತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಹರೀಶಣ್ಣ, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಾಗೇಂದ್ರ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಸಾರಿ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. ದೂರವ್ರದ್ದು ಬತ್ತೊಂದು ಅಡ್ಡು ಪಾತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Amarana, Pradeepanna, Gopalanna, Mr. Harish, and all other dignitaries of the podium. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. First of all, I congratulate the YMS organization committee for keeping this event and inviting us to attend this wonderful event. Unveiling of a trophy and this releasing of jersey. Thank you very much. First of all, I wish you all the best. Let this tournament make an impact and it shine at very. And secondly, I congratulate wish all the teams to be competitive, play in sportsman spirit. Winning and losing is part of the game, but competition, giving tough competition is always appreciable, and I hope we going to witness a wonderful tournament, and I wish everybody good luck, and thank you again for inviting me for this event. That's it.
Thank you, sir. For you also, like I conveyed my warm gestures to Mr. Gopal Shetty. For you also, sir, the confidence and faith you kept on us and the interest towards the cricket. Thank you so much for being here this evening. And from behalf of YMS Cricket Tournament to Cricket Organization, I would like to convey my warm regards. Thank you so much. And now, one of our dynamic leader, Mr. Pradeep Shetty, need to address the gathering. Because, sir, you are the good speakers. That's what we want here.
Thank you, Rupesh. President of the Kannada Sangha, Mr. Amarana. President of MASA, Mr. Gopal Shetty. The newly elected President of Patla Foundation, Mr. Narendra Shetty. President of the Bahrain Dilawas, Mr. Harish Pujari. Past President of Bahrain Dilawas, Mr. Ajit Bangera. Mr. Roshton, entrepreneur, businessman, Mr. Kanchan Sri, and the dynamic and the three named, the very passionate three cricketers, YMS, Yagnesh, Manoj and Sampath. And all the ladies and gentlemen, cricket lovers, a very good evening to you all. Last year, the YMS Trophy won. I had witnessed myself. It was very professionally done. And recently also, the season 2 of YMS, I had witnessed the auction at the Papillon restaurant. It was nevertheless, it's almost like how an IPL tournament is conducted. The similar way they had organized that auctioning the players. The 18 teams, 14 men's team and 4 teams has already been chosen. On my behalf, I would like to congratulate the 3 YMS passionate cricketers for the successful completion of the previous year, and I would like to wish you all the best for this season. This is happening on this coming Friday, November 3rd, at this own ground. It's an Indian expat 7-a-side cricket tournament. As Mr. Narendra said, let the best team win, but the cricket should win. Please, all the players play with a sportsmanship spirit, and we, especially we Indians, of course, all the Asians, we have very great passion to cricket. The World Cup fever is going on. come, put your full efforts in this. Develop, let us all together develop cricket in this small island, and wish you all the best for all the players. Once again, I would like to thank the three gentlemen who gave me an opportunity to be part of your tournament and to be here tonight. Thank you so much, and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Pradeep Anna. He is a very good cricketer, and one thing I would like to tell about him, he is the first guy who took almost 25 cricketers into Kuwait for the tournament, and entire thing is organized by him, and even Amaran also. So next, Mr. Royston, few words please. Sir.
ಸಾರಿ ಮಾತರೆಗ್ಲ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಗುರ್ತ ಇಪ್ಪಂದು ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಎನ್ನುವರೆ ನಿಂಬೆ ಇಂಚಿನ ಪೊಸಬೆ ಇಂಚಿನ ಪಾತಿರ್ಬಂದು ಸೊ dear sirs and respected guests and kids, ladies and gentlemen, like I don't know anything to say, I don't have any words today, but the thing is like I did not reach the end to speak anything, so I can say only that these three murtis like YMS, everybody knows their name, so I can say only that all the best for all the future events, and all the best for the players also. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Royston, for your kind words. Now it's time for jersey distribution. I would like to call team owners or icon players. Aishan. So I would like to call team owner, either team owner or icon player or entire team, whoever is present here, please come forward and collect your jersey. And first two teams, Supernova and Kundapura friends. Supernova and Kundapura friends, please come forward, and Mr. Amarnath Rai, please offer the jersey. First Supernova. Supernovas, please. Kundapura friends. Suratkal friends. Suratkal friends, icon player or owner. RD Group. Renji, one of the most experienced cricket player, is an icon player of RD Group. Please come forward. And Harishana, please. And next, Nisarga Bahari. Harishanna, one more. Nisarga Bahari. Next, Sachi. Sachi. Naveen Chetty team Sachi. I request Padipanna, please offer this jersey. Sachi. Next, Karavali Kings. Karavali Kings.
ರೂಪೇಶ್ ನವೀನ್ ಉಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಚಿ ಓನರ್
Navinanna. Bale. Owner must be here, please. Yanir boy. Karavali Kings. Next, Jai Karnataka and Smart CC. Jai Karnataka Smart CC.
ಒಂದು ಕರಾವಳಿ
Next, Royal Strikers. Felix, please, Royal Strikers. The team of Mr. Royston. Jai Karnataka Smart CC.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಲಿ ಯಾಡೋ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಆಯ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾದ ಒಂದು ಪೂರ ಪಾಡ್
Royal Strikers. Next, RR Boy. I would like to ask Mr. Royston, please offer RR Boys. RR Boys. And Puneet. And Namma Kudla. Next, Namma Kudla. Namma Kudla.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಟ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟರ
Kurkal Titans. Ajitandana team. Kurkal Titans. Ajitandana, please come forward. Kurkal Titans. Sunil.
ಸುನಿ
And Narendrana, please come forward. Kudla Super Kings. Kudla Super Kings and Bulls 7. Kudla Super Kings. Kudla Super Kings. Kudla Super Kings. Bulls 7. Now, the ladies cricket team, I would like to request Mr. Kanchan Sri, please come forward and offer the jersey. Kundapura Friends. Kundapura Friends, team owner. Ladies, Kundapura Friends. Ladies, Kundapura Friends. ಸರ್ ಪೂರ ಬನ್ನಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಗುಂತೆ Suratkal friends, Suratkal friends. The Pavitra, one of the national cricket player, Bahrain. HPCA, Jairaj Bandari, HPCA. And number 4 team is Jai Karnataka. Jai Karnataka. Jai Karnataka.
ರಂಜಿ ಜೈಕಾರ ಅತ್ತ
ಜಯರಾಜ್ ಇರಲಿ ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಜರ್ಸಿ ಒಂದೇ ತೊಂದರೆ
ಏ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇತ್ತಲಾಗಲಿ
ರಂಜಿಲ್ಲ
ಒಂದು ಮನೋಜ್
ಜಯರಾಜ್ ಬಲೆ ಬಲೆ ಇರಿ ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಜರ್ಸಿ ಒಂದೇ Thank you, sir. इनी बैदिन माता बिन्नेरेगे YMS टीम द परवाद निकलिक मातेरेक्ला उडल जिंजी सोल मेलो इनी संपत् मेरार धन्यवाद कार्यक्रम कोरुडित्तले आर्नाद तन वाइस पोर्टल बंदेंक आर कोर ऐप जी बंदेर अंचा कुडोरा Mr. Amarnath Rai, Kannada Sangha, President of Kannada Sangha, ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ. YMS ತಂಡದಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು, ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಗೋಪಾಲಣ್ಣ, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸೌದಿ ಅರೇಬಿಯಾ, ಕುಡರ ಪಂತ ಸರ್ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ಆತು ದೂರ ಹೊಡೆದ ಕಾಲು ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇರ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಎಂಕಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಿದ್ದಿತ್ತಿನ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಈ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಿದ್ದಿತ್ತಿನ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ GSS Bahrain Billabas, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಘ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸರ್, ವಿ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜ್ Managing Director of RR Group, thank you so much for being here with us, sir. Mr. Narendra Shetty, President Patla Foundation, Bahrain Saudi Unit, thank you so much for being here, sir. And Mr. Ajit Bangera, thank you, sir, thank you so much for being here. He is the backbone, I can say, is the backbone and the major advisor of the YMS cricket tournament. And Mr. Kanchan Sri, he is the one of the most interested cricket tournament. Actually, in 2018 we were started together playing cricket tournament in Busai team. From 2018 we were not coming for some maybe 1 week or not, but every week he used to come. He is the most wanted JFCC cricketer, and of most of the time he is playing opening. And yes sir, now we are in this tournament. We were actually planning for 2 guest matches. 2 guest matches. And first match will be a top 4 Bahrain team, which will be decided soon. And second match will be a veterans cricket, the 50 plus. All participants are 50 plus. We are playing 2 teams. So that is the one.
yeah, just before the final, we wanted to play that one, the spectacular match. And JUCC, we have many talented players, 50 plus. And Mr. Kanchan, so you can lead the team as a captain. Of course, sir, of course. If you are giving one more team, we will more than happy to organize. Thank you, sir. One and all the gathering here, all the spectators, all the cricket lovers. Have a beautiful evening. Thank you for your presence, and we are winding up the program. Thank you so much. God bless all.